They know that Lena is a creative person, making pictures or being a model. The whole world of photography, it is beauty everywhere.
What is up, YouTube? I'm back. Right now I am in Moscow. We're on the Moscow River. I've been here for about...
Tarasova, Shevchenko embankment.
We're there. I have been awake for almost 30 hours. Today we are shooting with the beautiful...
I need to say my name. Okay. Okay. And I need to pop up, right?
No.
Very confusing.
Today we are shooting with the beautiful...
Lena.
How long have you been modeling?
When I was a kid, I liked to dress up several outfits, everything I found interesting in the wardrobe, and I was like, this is my story.
One reason I'm kind of excited to shoot with Lena is because she's also a photographer.
That's true.
It's gonna be very helpful because she knows what I'm doing, she knows all the problems, but the bad side is I can't fake anything with her. She knows what I'm doing. I'm just gonna whip this around. It looks like New York, does it not? It's so gorgeous.
There is a skyscraper, one of the symbols of Moscow.
It was built by Stalin. It looks terrifying, but gorgeous. I grew up learning all about the USSR. And to me, it's crazy that I'm in Moscow and I'm gonna be shooting with gorgeous models and like just having fun, and it's a beautiful weather. Okay, in hamburger units, it's about 59 degrees Fahrenheit right now. I need you guys to like tell Lena that her English is excellent. She was really nervous about her English.
Cheers! Is cheers the correct word?
No, one,
cheers.
that's British, so automatically no.
Yeah, okay.
Excellent.
Cheers! Compared to his Russian, yes, my English is
We're
excellent.
gonna go ahead and start our shoot now. We'll see you guys out there.
And since the audio dropped out on me, I'm gonna have to narrate the first part. You can see that Lena was framing herself with her hands because she wanted to know where I was shooting, and she's a photographer, and so, you know, she knows things like that, and I would have done the same.
But don't you sweat your pretty skin, 'cause it melts away for it sinks.
And here I asked her to like call out to a friend she just saw, because I kind of wanted to make this like stage candid kind of look.
When the moon runs down the summer sky.
I think here I didn't really give her any other direction other than maybe like stay in one spot, and sometimes ask her to look past the camera and sometimes look into the lens. But Lena's like a really experienced model, like she shoots like all the time as a model, and so, you know, even though I give her no direction, she's gonna run by herself. And that is Lena being Lena.
The more you love, the more you live.
I think the direction here was me asking her to show me yourself having a good time in a park, just being playful in the park. And that's really it, and she was just running with that.
When nothing seemed to be a drag, you ran until your legs gave way.
I asked her to like sort of come towards me, but slowly, and then I had this idea, oh hey, actually, let's get you all the way back into the branches, because I want to like frame you up like with close-ups. And at the moment I said that, I was like, oh, with close-ups, she kind of like just knew exactly what I was going for, and she started giving me different stuff. So it really helps, and it's pretty cool to watch a photographer who can model and do photography, because she's kind of like, I think she's mostly in modeling mode, but when she needs to, she kind of handles some of the problems. And so yeah, she was giving me like great stuff. So for those wondering, I'm shooting all these pretty much at wide open on my lenses at f2.8, and since it's Fuji, that's an APS-C sensor, and that's more like f4 in a full frame. And this is the Stalin skyscraper she was talking about. It's one of those 7 sister buildings that Moscow is famous for. And that's Lena being Lena. And I chose this location because I kind of wanted an urban kind of look that was also close to the nature area. Because I didn't want her walking too far, getting sweaty or tired or anything like that, so I had to pick a spot that has like multiple kind of looks in a very small place. And once I started shooting, I didn't think it didn't look that good, but you just gotta go 100% energy and just make it fun no matter what, you know? And so, and that one I was asking her to fix her shoe because I don't know why. It just came in my head and I thought it looked good. And I asked her to start spinning, and I think, yeah, after one try, she was like, "You're about to get hit by a car." And that happened like 5 times. I think anybody who tries these kind of shots, yeah, you know that you're gonna have to do it like a million times before you can get one that's in focus and has the look that you want. But there's only so many times before, you know, your model's gonna get tired or dizzy, and so it stops it and it looks great.
Friends and my relatives, they know that Lena is a creative person. Making pictures or being a model, these creative words, so they're quite supportive, and the whole world of photography is the world I wanna live in. So it is beauty everywhere from both sides of the camera, see? If my friends, if you're watching this video, I'm sending my love and kisses to you.
Go ahead and step a little bit this way. Good. Good. Same one. Good. Same thing, but eyes off for the camera. Nice. Exact same thing, but right here on the glass. Go ahead and stand still, and then yeah, facing me, right there. Hold that, hold that, hold that. Nice. This look great.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing.
You can see a little more of the hair. In the face. You can see more of the face. Nice.
Everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land.
Great.
Now I'm driving back on Interstate West. I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning, because something's gonna change my mind. I don't wanna change my mind. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year.
Take 11. Alright, what's up everyone?
Why do you hit yourself all the time?
You mean in real life or like
No,
for the
you mean
video?
like, oh, we start. Do you launch the system this way?
I thought she was talking about me hitting myself in real life, which is a different matter. But the reason I hit myself on camera is because I'm syncing up the sound. So anyways, we are now in the middle of Moscow city center, and telling you Moscow is so much more like New York than some of us would like to admit. We got 2 different looks, but
no apples.
nope.
No green apples. That's
What
why
about?
it's not New York, because we have no green apples everywhere.
You meant Big Apple? Okay.
No?
No, they're not. But I'm also like, is it gonna steal our stuff?
Yeah,
That's
this
what I
is
wanna
also
know.
possible.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna start from the top
Just a
again.
second.
We did 2 different looks, and the thing is, in each shot, we only did like, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes in each location, because she was just really good at hitting all the poses really fast. I think it's because she's partly a photographer.
I really liked this shooting, and John is a very friendly and...
You know what's the hardest part of this whole shoot? Finding parking in the middle of Moscow.
Yeah, exactly.
It is insane here.
Mission impossible.
She almost kind of wanted to double park and break the... You wanted to like
jam some guy in. I was just like, oh my goodness. Elena, thank you so much for the wonderful shoot. Thank you for being such a great model. Comment how great our English is. Apparently really self-conscious about that. Please subscribe, it really helps the algorithm, especially if you just hit that like button. We're gonna see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.